Ever wondered what to call all these kitchen items correctly? Well, let's clear it up today. First up, we have crockery, your plates, bowls, and cups. These are used for serving and eating food. The next is cutlery, knives, forks, and spoons. These are your essential dining tools. Now, moving to cookware. Things like frying pans, saucepans, and rolling boards. These all are used for cooking delicious meals. For drinks, we have glassware like wine glasses, raw glasses, and cocktail glasses for your all fancy sips. And finally, the cooking tools or utensil sets whisk, spatula, and ladles that make cooking easier. Now you know the right words for your kitchen essentials. Which one do you use the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun facts. See you next time.